That's the blue one. So the blue one is mainly for cabbage. First thing you can go one way like this, but once you get hang of it, you just simply go backwards and forward and you shred the cabbage very nice and thin. That's to make the coleslaw. Now, first thing is not only for cabbage, you can slice any vegetable you like. So grab cucumber, zucchini, carrot or daikon, you push it away and you can make really nice and thin ribbons. That's with the same blue one. Right here on the back of the side is a mandolin. So when you do slicing, all you have to do, you just need to tap and glide and you can do the slicing, including your sweet potato chips. Now, first thing, blue one. You don't use the blue one as a peeler. The reason why, because it's too wide for the peeling. Black one is a peeler. Now, when you do peeling, all you do, you just simply go backwards and forward both ways. This one, take the skin. With the same peeler, you peel pumpkin because you know that pumpkin skin, they're very tough to peel. So you pull the handle towards yourself, you peel pumpkin as well as a pineapple. So this is the actual peeler. Now, last one, which is a red one. So the red one, it's got one-sided jagged blade, the other one is got 15 blade. So when you do carrot, all you do, you pull the handle towards yourself and you turn your vegetable after a few strokes. And look at that. They look together, but they are not actually. Same thing with zucchini. So if you want to make some zucchini spaghetti, same red peeler, you pull the handle down and you turn your vegetable after a few strokes. And look at that. Very nice and clean cut. That's the most important thing. That's with the red one. Now, when you use the red peeler on pumpkin, first thing you peel this pumpkin nicely. Once you're done peeling, then you start from somewhere and you just keep rolling on the edge. That way it's easier. And make sure don't put pressure on this peeler. Hold this pumpkin tightly and try to use the small stroke. So instead of having spaghetti and pasta and noodle and all kind of stuff, just eat vegetable. That's the one with the red one.